If you want to measure some distance or some angle on the screen, that's also very easy. All you need to do is just right click, and when you right click you get these two, measure distance and measure angle. Measure distance can also be used by pressing the Alt R shortcut. So if you do measure distance, it will ask you for 2 points. So you could, for example, select the first point and then the second point, and it will give you the XYZ components at the top and the total length between those 2 points at the bottom. So in this case, there is 0 in the X direction, 300 in the Y direction, and 0 in the Z direction. Now, similarly, you could also measure angles. So for example, if you wanted to measure this angle, which this plate was making with the end plate, you could just right click, say measure angle, in which case you would start off with the origin and then head into one direction and basically choose any point on this line. So I'm going to choose this one, and then the other line, which is going to be this one. And the moment you snap to a point, it's going to give you the angle between those two axes, which is 26.56 degrees in this case. So very easily, very conveniently, you can use this command to measure your distances and your angles on the screen.